Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? We got some work to do now. Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? We need some help from you now. Come on, Scooby-Doo, I see you. And this kid got a silver. You're the me, 'cause I can see the way you shake and shiver. You know we got a mystery to solve, so Scooby-Doo, be ready for your hat. Don't hold back. And Scooby-Doo, if you come through, you're gonna have yourself a Scooby snack. That's a fact. Scooby-Dooby-Doo, here are you. You're ready and you're willing. We can count on you, Scooby-Doo. I know we can't back feeling.
Hello. I'm the narrator of this story. My name is Charlie, and I'm going to tell you a story about a big red chicken. It's called The Legend of the Big Red Chicken. It's right here, and I'm going to narrate the story right now. Once there was a little red chicken who lived on a big red hill. The little red chicken was very, very little. He couldn't run as fast as his friends. He was so little that he had to be very careful or his friends will step on him. He didn't like being so little. Then, one night, when the little chicken went to bed, he saw a group of stars shaped like a big chicken. He made a list on the star that he would be big. And guess what happened in the morning? When the little red chicken woke up, he wasn't little anymore. He was a big chicken. He was as big as the house. The big chicken was so happy, he danced the chicken dance by flapping his arms and stamping his feet. And guess what? If you go to the big red hill, maybe you can meet the big red chicken. They say he's still dancing the chicken dance. I'm pretty sure that is just the right thing to do. And here's our heroes right now. Oh, there are Scooby's children's. There are classmates actually. They actually made up a team so they can travel through adventures all over the world, including the days. And here comes the Scoob. He's Scooby-Doo. He's one of my favorite characters. Oh, and look who's returning. It's Phoebe from the classics. Remember her? We remembered her from a long time ago.
Phoebe, we've missed you all day long.
Yeah, I did miss you guys.
So do you have something new when you're back at your old school?
Yes, I have something new for you. Back at my old school, I've created one of my handy dandy notebook. And since you all have notebooks, we can draw in them.
Mr. Narrator said that he read a story about a big red chicken.
So we need to find the gold clues hiding around there. We have to find all 3 clues to figure it out.
So remember, Phoebe, the golden paw-prints will be on the clues. We've got to remember.
If we collect them all, we'll set up our golden thinking chair.
So guys, let's get started on our first adventure by using the map app on the iPhone.
If there's a place you gotta go, I'm the one you need to know. I'm the map. I'm the map, I'm the map. If there's a place you gotta get, I can get you there, I bet. I'm the map. I'm the map, 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 I'm the map. Dora and Boots need to get to the big red hill to find the big red chicken. Well, I know how to get to the big red hill. To get to the big red hill, you need to go over the bridge, through the gate, and that's how you get to the big red hill. So here's what you tell Dora. Bridge, gate, big red hill. Say it with me. Bridge, gate, big red hill. Bridge, gate, big red hill. Bridge, gate, big red hill.
So the math says we need to go over the puzzle bridge, then we get through the big gate, and head to the big red hill.
Remember, completing minigames will be featuring challenges, but Scooby has a feeling that has to hide.
Let's start our adventure right now.
Huh?
What's the matter? Is your stomach growling?
Say there, Scoob. I think you're right about this. That telling of those children's show is making a lot of noise. The elephants will know just where you are. Children, you better skedaddle away from those elephants.
Gulp. I don't suppose you should frighten away an elephant.
Puh, of course I do. I'm an expert. Just find a balloon and pop it. That should make them run away. Excellent job, if I do say so myself. Now you can sightsee in peace. And don't forget, if those elephants come after you again, just find yourself a balloon and pop it. Guys, look, a clue.
What? Did you say that you spotted a clue? Where?
Look right there, it's a hill.
Oh my. You know how you can tell us it's a clue, because it has a gold paw print on it. So I think we found the first gold clue. Now what do we do?
Notebook.
You've got it, viewers. We need our handy-dandy notebook. Okay, let's start to draw the clue.
The hill has a curved line, like this. And we've got a hill.
Alright, since we found the first clue, we found a hill. Wait, so, what's the last place gonna be that has to do with a hill? Do you know, children?
Nope. Well, I think we need to find 2 more clues to be sure.
The bridge is missing the 3 pieces right there. I think that is the problem right there. Look, there are 6 pieces that are floating right there in the river side. But I think I'm pretty sure if you need a partner or a friend to help out fix this puzzle bridge, that's the first place you needed to fix.
Do you see someone that can fix up this bridge?
Look, over here. There's a yellow tall dragon that's from Dragon Tales. Yeah, this is your very old cat self from a long time ago.
Well, my dear friends, I've come all the way to your home world for the first time. Is there something I can help you with?
Hello, Castle. Can you please fix the bridge for us so that we can get across?
Of course I can. I'll fix the bridge for you.
Can you help Catsail fix the puzzle bridge? Oh, good. Alright, so the big pieces are called long pieces, like this, and the little pieces are shorter than this. So, which one of those pieces should be there? Big or small? Big, small, big, small.
That one. The long piece.
Well done. The one piece fits here. Now on to the next piece. Now which piece fits here? Long or short? Long or short?
That one. The short one.
Brilliant! Now on to the last piece. Long or short? Long or short?
That one. The long piece.
Oh, thank you so much for fixing this bridge, Crystal. You're very helpful.
You're welcome, my friends. I'll hope you'll find the rest of the clues.
A clue, a clue.
Oh wait, you see another clue? Another gold clue? Where?
Wow. A colorful clue. This is really useful. Many colors have paw prints on it.
Wow, that is so cool to find a colorful clue. Hey, you know what to do, we need our handy dandy
Notebook.
notebook. Right. Okay. Let's color it in.
Let's draw a zigzag line, back and forth, kinda like this. There, the color red.
So far, we found 2 out of 3. We're getting close to finding out who's in the big red hill. I think we need one more clue just to make sure, but for now, narrator, let's head to the gate.